Shiba Inu is back down in price, but so are the entire crypto market, so we can't really point fingers to one single project, guys. So unfortunately, May has been a little bit of a bad start. We haven't had the greatest start to May opening on this month, but it could just be 1 week of kind of a little bit of upheaval, a little bit down, you know, kind of volatility, and maybe an opportunity to even dollar cost average into. Are we going to see a summer lull? That's a big question that I'm thinking about right now. So at the moment, Shiba Inu spirals down to $0.0000021, and we can see on the 7 days it has actually drastically dropped around 22% at the moment, guys. Bitcoin has also fallen short down to 57.6k. Hopefully we can bounce out of here, but right now it's not looking majorly bullish as it is down $9,000 across the week. So welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. Do subscribe if you want to stay in the know and also hit your crypto goals this 2024. So let's have a look at Shiba Inu. We can see right now we are falling back into the falling wedge trading chart pattern that we're seeing right here. We don't really want to see it happen, but unfortunately that is what is happening. And just looking at Shiba Inu on the relative strength index, it is tumbling back down. The RSI is heading towards that 30 region. I do actually have an alert saved at 29.5 RSI to remind me to potentially buy back in, as it could be a decent dollar cost average region. Now, it's not looking terrible. It's not looking the worst. When we look at the overall pump on the macro side, you can see it's correcting down between the 0.618 and 0.786 region at the moment. Remember, Shiba Inu is a vast ecosystem. They are growing and expanding right now, and I guess just the entire market doesn't look amazing. So Shiba comprises of Leash, Bone, and very soon they have their Treat token, which is the final step to full decentralization for Shiba, the last non-stable product that they will be launching, and then eventually Shiba Inu will be launching their own stable coin, which is pegged to the dollar, which is absolutely insane to see. So yeah, Shiba at the moment, I think honestly for Shiba we are seeing quite a flow of red candles. It has been 7 days straight of kind of ugly candles, but we did find a lot of support at this region before. If we can actually bounce up at this level, I do potentially see there being headway to the upside, and I do potentially see a bullish double bottom reversal pattern even forming here. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we have just hit that oversold region. 30 on my RSI was the time to get the alerts, so I have got those alerts in place ready for me to get those reminders to potentially buy into the coins when they do hit those sub 30 RSI levels. So we are back down. I would prefer to buy here than back up the top there, and buying this potential dip. As you can see, just looking at the price of Shiba, it is down 26%. That's quite crazy over the last just basically few days. So 26% down. If you were thinking of getting it over here at 2.8, well, you can now get it at 2.0. Not saying you should get it, this isn't financial advice, but we're just seeing what could happen. And overall, you know, it's holding steady. I don't think it will bleed out to the 15 level. I think it will require much more bearish sentiment in the macro markets, and of course Bitcoin to come even lower, but I still think it's possible for Bitcoin to hit $50,000 before potentially propelling up again to, like, you know, ridiculous levels like 60, 70, 80, 90k. And I do think realistically 100k is realistic for you know, the upcoming bull run. And if we get that Q3 Q4 push to the upside, that last little run, things should look very, very good. So Shiba Inu I'm still bullish on. Moving into shorter time frames, if we look at the 30-minute over here, we could see, you know, again, it's just down. It is down. Don't want to put too much TA on this particular thing because technical analysis is very speculative, but just looking at that 26% drop, you know, we are down and we are forming a kind of a valley of red candles at the moment. So Treat will be the next big thing. It's not trading at the moment, I don't believe. If we look at the markets, we can see it's actually saying it's on Uniswap and Shiba Swap. So this could be a false contract address. Of course, be careful. It may be. This could even be a false website as well, guys. So I'm not 100% saying they are the correct intellectual properties on the Shiba side, but go out there, do some research. Just be aware that Treat will be launching soon. And when it does go live, it could have a very, very beneficial effect on, of course, or here we can see Treat actually, so maybe we can quickly find out if there is a website for this. Shiba.io, it's just taking us to Shiba.io. Can't see anything on Treat right now, so that could have been a counterfeit one, just to let you know, guys. That's why this is not financial advice, always do your own research. But Treat is going to be on the way soon, which will be really, really awesome, and I can't wait to see it go down. I can't wait to see what's going to happen and what the overall product is and the effect of this new launch. Guys, Dogeverse as well, $12.9 million has now been raised for Dogeverse at $14.2 million. The price goes up again. It's now 0.000305. And in 1 day, 23 hours, the price will go up again. So if you do want to get into a very hot new crypto ICO with 10 to 100x potential, there's a link down below for you to do research. You can get into it by connecting your wallet like a MetaMask, convert either Tether or Ethereum directly into your Dogeverse tokens. What makes this so special with Dogeverse is that you can buy this coin across 6 different chains. You got Base, Solana, Avalanche, Polygon, BEP20, ERC20 as well. And what I really do like about this one as well is that they're listing on a centralized exchange, as you can see by phase 5 cosmic travel, but they have 200 billion maximum tokens. So there's no vast trillions. It's very much a fixed supply, and with no inflation will help keep those prices looking strong in the long-term future. And I think this is just one of those exciting projects. We can see here, like, you can buy of all these different chains that could be a top 20 meme coin in the upcoming future when it goes live. So check out Dogeverse down below. Could this be like the next big Shiba Inu? Could this offer more gains than Shiba Inu, considering this is sitting at 12.4 billion? And overall, I just think we're in a great place at the moment in the crypto markets. We're consolidating, we're correcting a little bit. We might see some astronomical price action soon. So thank you for watching this. The Dogeverse coin only has a few weeks remaining until it is finished, done and dusted. And yeah, I think this could be really cool. They're utilizing wormhole technology to make this ecosystem as strong as possible. You can see they are also talking about Dogeverse being on Solana now. Tons of retweets, likes and impressions. Big stuff. Link down below. Stay crypto safe, ladies and gents. Thanks for watching this 99 Bitcoins YouTube video. And if you are new here, subscribe, like, and comment. Bye bye. Peace.